Here's a quick demo of how your team can speed up collaboration with Podio Chat, and how you get updates about activity on Podio with notifications. Right now I'm on my Podio home screen, and in the top right corner of the screen I have the chat icon. When I click here, chat appears, and firstly I have a list of all the people I've recently interacted with on Podio. I can start a chat with any of them, or if I'd like to chat with someone else, I can just type their name above this list and it'll find them from my Podio contacts. When my co-workers are online, the dot to the right of their name will show green. If the dot is grey, they're offline and will receive the chat messages when they're next online, or via push notification on their mobile. I'll select my colleague Emma. You can see that the conversation I've had with her previously is stored here, along with the files we've shared. I can send her a new message by typing and hitting enter, and I'll see when she's replying. If I want to share a file with a message, I click the paperclip icon and choose it from my desktop or from any of the major file sharing services. If I want to add another person to this conversation, I just click the plus person icon above the conversation and select that person from my Podio contacts or by entering their email address. Doing this will enable all the participants to chat from this point onwards. The person you add will not be able to see the previous messages in your conversation. By clicking the More icon, which is displayed as 3 circles above the conversation, you can remove yourself from group conversations, mark messages as unread, and go to your full screen chat inbox. This is my chat inbox. Here I get a full screen view of all my chat conversations, and I can continue chatting in the large box on the right. Notifications about activity on Podio, for example, updates to app items, comments and new status posts, are found in Notifications, just to the left of the chat icon. When you get notifications, click here to see all the details. We hope you'll love using Podio Chat. Thanks for watching.